In this module, we will review patch management, identify the components of patch management, determine a possible strategy for patch management, and set up the steps for patch management. Patch management is the process of distributing and installing software updates. Patches are typically pushed out to address software updates for operating systems, browsers, or applications running on servers, desktops, and laptops. Manage the download and installation of Microsoft and third-party software patches across the customer network. Patch management automates the patching of devices by utilizing rules, caching, multiple maintenance windows, and automated approval methods. Managing updates maintains security and addresses any known vulnerabilities that have been identified. Developing a strategy to address patch management is also necessary to decrease susceptibility to cyber attacks. Typically, an audit is performed to assess the customer's environment, current level of patching automation configuration, system requirements, and schedules. Here are some examples of areas that may be considered: review of the policy if the patch schedule is missed, identification of types of patches that can be automated, and determination for scheduling patches to minimize disruption to the workday, backups, or other processes. Configuring patch management across devices requires several steps. Step 1. Configure a probe cache. Step 2. Create a patch rule with the patch setup wizard and configure the maintenance windows. Step 3. Create a patch profile. Step 4. Enable patch management on the device. And Step 5. Configure auto approvals and declines.